Hey crafters, welcome back to another TeckWrap craft video. Today I'll be showing you how to make some super cute birth flower decals to put on your car. Hi, I'm Sarah from Heart Designs and Crafts, and I love all things craft. Now these cute little flowers are a take on the stick figure families that people used to have on their cars. Remember those? And right now, birth flowers are super popular, so why not combine the two? Now I'll be using TeckWrap Craft's Reflective Vinyl for this project. It's perfect for car decals. Wait till you see them on the back of my car. They are really cool. Here's Poppy. She just wanted to say hello. Say hello, Poppy. Over there. Hello. So grab all those supplies and let's get crafting. So the supplies you'll need for today's project is this TeckWrap Reflective Vinyl. Now it's very cool, and I'm making some decals to go on the back of my car. So that is perfect for that. So we'll need that, we'll need some transfer tape and one of these squidgies. This one's a glow in the dark one, perfect. And you'll also need a mat. So let's get crafting. I found these SVGs on Creative Fabrica, and I've been wanting to do these decals for a long time. So the reflective vinyl from TeckWrap is perfect for these. So I just have to adjust them a little bit to make them able to be cut out on the Cricut. Now, the reason I've got these months is because there are 2 February birthdays, an October birthday and a December birthday in our house. Now, I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller because it's the dog's birthday and I want to include her. So I want to get rid of these names that are on the bottom. Now, if I look over here, they are actually grouped. So if I ungroup them, the names are separate. So I can just delete them. And I'll just do that with all of them. Just ungroup, take out these. Now I think these might be a little bit thin to cut. So what I'm going to do is just use the offset function, and I'm just going to do an offset which will make them slightly thicker. Let's try 0.3. There we go, that might be a bit better. So we'll just hide those ones and we'll do that. We'll do the same with this one. 0.3, apply. That's better because then that gets rid of these tiny little pieces in the middle there, which is just fine with me. As does that one, which is good because that way it will cut out a bit better too. Now with this one, I want to fill in the leaves. So I'll just go down to the contour down here, and I'm just going to click on those little pieces of leaf holes there that I don't want. So this is a good way to get rid of any little cuts that you don't need or want. Now you can see that they have changed colour and they're a little bit hard to get to, so there we go. You can scroll down here and find them there too. I think that might be it. Alright, there we go, that's better. That will cut out better. And then this one is pretty thick as it is, but I might just see if we can increase it a little bit. That's a bit better. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to cut these out of the reflective vinyl. So we're going to do green for December, and October we're going to do red, and this February we're going to do the yellow, And this one, I'm going to just make it a bit small. This one will do the silver because that's really quite reflective. There we go. Now I've made them about 13 centimeters high. Which is the height that I want them, and this little one can be about 8. There we go. I think that will work. Alright, so now we just need to cut them out. Now you see they're all on the separate mats. So if we go to continue, now I've done some test cuts with this particular reflective vinyl, and I found the best cut is to use the light cardstock. So I'll just use that with the fault pressure and we'll be good to go. Let's cut it out. So now I've cut out all of my flowers and now I just need to weed them. Trusty weeding tool. Let's do it. And because we cut them out on a good setting, they are weeding perfectly. There we go, all weeded. They weeded so nicely. I love the feel of this vinyl. All right, so they need some transfer tape now. We'll just grab our mat for that. Okay, so there we go. There's all of our decals now. They are ready to go and pop on my car. Let's go do it. Well, they turned out better than I even imagined. They were so reflective on my card. They were just perfect. And I love the little flower that I gave for Poppy. She's so cute. Anyway, I hope you had a great time crafting with me today. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. See ya. She's too busy looking out the window. Bye.